so Chen here. I am going to show you today on Nom Nom TV how to make one of my favorite dishes I grew up with, soy sauce chicken. It's really easy to make. I love it because you just throw everything into your pressure cooker and then it's just done in 8 minutes. This is the next recipe that I decided to share with you because it is just so easy, so great for family, and I know that you will love it. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to put the pressure cooker on saute. You're gonna just let it warm up for a couple minutes. We're gonna add in some oil and we're going to saute and put in the chicken. I personally love chicken legs. That's why I prefer to do this, but you can do chicken breasts, whatever part of the chicken you like, it works. And you can also do a higher quantity. I'm just only doing chicken legs today. But you can put even a larger quantity in if you'd like. You just need to change the measurements of the recipe. And so I'm just going to saute each side so that it's brown. I'm gonna start to hear it sizzle. Just need to saute both sides so that they're just brown. So just like light brown right here, this is perfect. Okay, great. Now we're ready to add the sauces. Just because it's lightly browned on both sides, so I'm going to add in the ginger. Got 1/4 cup of ginger, 1 cup of water, and then we have 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Why it's called soy sauce chicken. It's heavy on the soy sauce. And then we have 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This is great because it makes it a little sweet. I love that part of it. That's oyster sauce is the best. And the thing I love about this recipe is you don't even have to cut up any vegetables. You can just throw in however many mushrooms you'd like for the family. And so it's a great way to get some amazing flavored mushrooms. And then last but not least, we have the 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. As well as pepper to taste. I do very light on pepper. My husband doesn't like pepper much, so I'm not going to be putting much pepper in here. You can do however much pepper you prefer as a cook. And that is really it. So I'm just going to mix this up to make sure that it's ready to be cooked. My favorite thing about this recipe is it is so quick. So everything's fully covered. Let's put the cover on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed cooking with you today and making this quick 8-minute soy sauce chicken. I hope that you enjoyed making this with your family, and I loved cooking with you today. Next week, stay tuned. We'll be making some vegetarian mushroom banh mi pate. I cannot wait. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.